Okay, so this is the outside of our root cellar. I didn't put it in the video before because it has no siding on it, but you know, it's the Kootenays. So you can see it's on a cement pad that was just existing here, so we just used it. I would totally build it into the ground, but our property's totally flat, so that didn't really work. One thing that's kind of sweet about it being level with the ground is that it's really easy to load things in and out of here. And I think if it was down a hill, it'd be kind of annoying to carry heavy boxes in and out of here. We can just drive up to the door and drop things off. So inside is spray foamed, and I think it's R24 if I remember right. But it's just like a standard wall depth, and then the spray foam people came and sprayed like over top of the studs so that it creates a vapor barrier, because there would be lots of condensation in here in the summertime because it's so cold inside and so hot outside. I think it would just rot, so the vapor barrier is pretty important. This thing is the CoolBot, and I don't use it in the winter time. What a CoolBot is it basically, this little sensor tricks the regular air conditioner into thinking that it's like warmer in here, so it'll run faster and it stops it from icing up. So it'll keep the temperature in here at a proper fridge temperature even when it's like 40 degrees outside. You have to go on their website, and then you have to get the correct kind of air conditioner for the size of space that you have and stuff like that. In the winter time, I have this controller, and you can set it, so right now it's set to try and keep it around 2 degrees with a differential of 2 degrees. So when it gets down to 0, it turns on the chicken light, which is plugged into the plug that's attached to this thing. And the chicken heat lamp keeps it warm in here, but it almost never turns on unless it's super cold outside. I think the most important part of storing vegetables is never letting it get very warm in the cooler. So, yeah, even I think 4 degrees is too warm. Like, it has to be really close to just above 0 in order to keep things fresh. There's no ventilation stack in our root cellar, but it does get some airflow through the back of the air conditioner. So I think maybe that just keeps the air fresh in here, and we open and close the door fairly often, so it never gets dank in here. And maybe because it's not below ground, it doesn't get as humid as other kind of like below ground old-fashioned types of root cellars. And that's my video about the root cellar.